With Google Analytics iOS app install tracking, you can find out which of your ad campaigns attracts the most traffic and the most valuable users to your app download page in iTunes. Let's take a look at what you need to do to set up iOS install tracking in your Google Analytics account and the steps you should take when you've finished your setup so you'll be ready to start managing and analyzing your data. In order to ready your Google Analytics configuration, you'll need to enable iOS install tracking in your account, update your SDK, and set up install campaigns. To enable iOS install tracking in your Google Analytics account, simply switch the toggle under iOS campaign tracking to on and click Save. Next, update your Google Analytics iOS SDK using version 3.08 or higher. If you need to download a new version, go to developers.google.com/analytics and search for Download iOS SDK. In order to track your iOS installs, you'll also need to add a library to your Xcode project that will collect Apple's identifier for advertising, or IDFA. The README file in the SDK has all the details you need on this. Finally, you'll need to set up install campaigns and then view reports in Google Analytics to determine which of these campaigns attract the most users to your app. To set up install campaigns, you'll need to add parameters to the end of your URLs to help determine where your users are coming from. You can set up custom campaigns manually, or you can use our URL Builder tool to help create and append the parameters and their values. With your Google Analytics configuration set and ready for iOS campaign tracking, it's time to start thinking about your bigger advertising strategy. You'll need to decide who your target audience is, what message you want to convey, and which ad network you're going to use. It's critical that you create unique custom campaign links for every different ad, and remember to include these special tagged URLs in each ad. This way, you can find out which of your ads was most successful at driving traffic to your download page. After your ads have been up and running for a few days, go to the Mobile App Sources report in the Acquisition section to analyze where your traffic is coming from and compare the performance of each of the install campaigns. Here you can view data about how many users arrive through each campaign, how long their sessions are, and what kind of revenue they bring in. This report can help you figure out which campaigns attract the most users, but more importantly, which ones attract the most valuable users. For more details on how to set up and use Google Analytics to learn more about how users find and download your iOS app, visit the Google Analytics Help Center.